Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about if the camera app is not working in your device OnePlus 9 RT, how you can solve this problem. Before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus 9 RT you are having issue related to the camera app, like your app is not working, you can solve this problem by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the camera app issue in your device. Let's watch it.